Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God. What do you think? Thank you so much. It's been 8 years. Thank you.
The difficulties that I was having kind of started a couple years ago. I lost my oldest son, and after that happened, I went into kind of like a depression and quit eating. As a result, about 6 months of it, I started losing my teeth. I was at a point where I wasn't able to eat. You're not as confident about your smile. Well, you're not as confident about your life. So I started thinking about dentures, but then I came across the 3-on-6. The 3-on-6, they fit right into my gum. So they're actually my teeth. That's what shocked me the most, was that I was able to chew. It's like brand new life. You're able to eat, you're able to smile, your confidence comes back. It's well worth the investment, because this affects my job, my career, it affects my relationships. My grandkids think that I'm 20 years younger now, and it's just been a wonderful experience, so I would highly recommend the 3-on-6.